Welcome to Sterlinx Global. My name is Jay, and I'm one of the account specialists of Sterlinx Global, a UK-based accounting firm specializing in e-commerce and traditional businesses. Today we will be discussing Single Member LLC for a non-U.S. resident. And without further ado, let's start by answering, what is a Single Member LLC? A Single Member LLC is a type of business entity that combines the limited liability protection of a corporation with the simplicity and flexibility of a sole proprietorship. It is a popular choice for small businesses, including those owned by non-residents, due to its ease of formation and operation. As the name suggests, a Single Member LLC has only one owner or member responsible for all business aspects. The owner can be an individual or another legal entity such as a foreign company. Unlike a corporation which requires multiple owners in a more complex structure, a Single Member LLC can be owned and operated by a single person, making it an attractive option for non-residents looking to establish a business presence in the U.S. Next up, we will list down benefits of a Single Member LLC for non-residents. There are several benefits to consider when thinking about forming a Single Member LLC as a non-U.S. resident. Number 1. Limited liability protection. One of the main advantages of a Single Member LLC is that it provides limited liability protection to its owner. If you have this type of structure, your personal assets are separate from your business assets, and your liability is generally limited to the amount of your investment in the business, providing a layer of financial security. Number 2. Flexibility in taxation. A Single Member LLC is a pass-through entity for tax purposes, meaning the business does not pay federal income taxes. Instead, if you have this kind of LLC, your income, deductions, and credits flow through your own tax return. This can be particularly beneficial for you as a non-resident who would most likely have unique tax considerations. Number 3. Ease of formation and operation. Forming a Single Member LLC is relatively simple and inexpensive compared to other business entities such as corporations. In many states, the formation process involves filing articles of organization with the Secretary of State and paying a nominal fee. Once the LLC is formed, there are fewer ongoing formalities and reporting requirements than in a corporation, making it easier to operate and maintain. Number 4. Business flexibility. Another advantage of a Single Member LLC is that it offers flexibility in managing and operating the business. As an owner, you have the freedom to make decisions and manage the business without the need for approval from other members or a board of directors. This can allow quicker decision-making and more agility in responding to market changes and opportunities. Number 5. Business credibility. Forming a Single Member LLC can also help establish credibility for your business in the U.S. Having a legal business entity such as an LLC can signal to potential customers, partners, and investors that your business is legitimate and professional. This can enhance your business's reputation and potentially lead to more opportunities and partnerships. After the benefits, we also have consideration for non-residents. While a Single Member LLC can offer many benefits for non-residents looking to start a business in the U.S., some important considerations must be remembered. Number 1. Residency and Tax Obligations. As a non-resident, you must understand the tax obligations and potential implications of operating a business in the U.S. The U.S. tax system can be complex, so you must comply with all federal, state, and local tax laws. You should also consider the tax implications in your home country and how your U.S. business income may be taxed there. It is advisable to seek professional tax advice from a qualified tax professional who is familiar with both U.S. and international tax laws to ensure that you are meeting all of your tax obligations. Number 2. Registered agent requirement. Most states in the U.S. require a Single Member LLC to have a registered agent, a designated person or entity that can receive legal and official documents on behalf of the LLC. This registered agent must have a physical address in the state where the LLC was formed or operates. As a non-resident, you may need to engage the services of a registered agent or appoint a trusted person or entity in the U.S. for it. Number 3. Business bank account and financial management. As a non-resident, you may face challenges opening a U.S. bank account, as some banks may require a U.S. address or social security number. So, make sure to research and identify banks that are open to working with non-resident business owners. Additionally, you will need to establish a system for financial management, including bookkeeping, record keeping, and reporting, to ensure compliance with U.S. accounting standards. Starting a single-member LLC in the U.S. can be a strategic move as a non-resident toward realizing your entrepreneurial dreams. It offers numerous advantages with limited liability protection, tax flexibility, and ease of operation. But be sure to consider the drawbacks too. But wait, we are not finished just yet. In addition to our discussion today, we are also going to answer some of our frequently asked questions about today's topic. Number 1. What happens if a non-resident member of a single-member LLC becomes a U.S. resident? If a non-resident member of a single-member LLC becomes a U.S. resident, it may impact the LLC's tax treatment. The member may be subject to U.S. tax laws and reporting requirements as a U.S. resident, and the LLC may need to be restructured accordingly. Number 2. Can a non-resident member of a single-member LLC take advantage of U.S. tax treaties? Non-resident members of a single-member LLC may be able to take advantage of certain U.S. tax treaties, depending on their country of residence and the specific provisions of the treaty. It is important to consult with a tax professional to determine eligibility and requirements. Number 3. Can a single-member LLC owned by a non-resident be converted into a multi-member LLC? Yes, a single-member LLC owned by a non-resident can be converted into a multi-member LLC by adding additional members to the LLC. However, this may have tax and legal implications, and it is recommended to seek professional advice from an accountant or tax advisor before making any changes to the LLC structure. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand what a single-member LLC is and how it can benefit a non-U.S. resident. For more professional advice on your business, tax, and accounting needs, consult us and visit Sterlinx Global website at sterlinxglobal.com. If you enjoy our content and want to learn more about accounting and taxation, please like the video and subscribe to our media channels. Again, I am Jay of Sterlinx Global, and I will see you next time.